Yes, dimensional analysis can handle area and volume conversions, as long as you apply square or cubic conversion factors to match the power of the unit. Think of dimensional analysis like using building blocks. For area, you need blocks stacked 2 layers deep, so you use conversion factors squared. And for volume, you stack 3 layers, so you use conversion factors cubed. For example, 1 foot is 12 inches, but 1 square foot is 12 inches times 12 inches. So you multiply by 12 squared to convert to square inches, and 1 cubic foot is 12 cubed when converting to cubic inches. Always write the units as squared or cubed in your setup so the unwanted units cancel correctly. And be careful to cube or square the whole conversion factor rather than just the number. A common mistake is forgetting to square or cube the conversion factor, which gives answers off by large powers. So remember to raise the entire conversion factor to the 2nd or 3rd power. Another mistake is canceling units incorrectly when only one dimension is accounted for. So write each unit clearly and cancel step by step. Sometimes students misapply mixed units, like converting square feet to cubic inches by accident. So check that the starting and ending units are both area or both volume and that the powers match. For more practice problems and clear video walkthroughs on area and volume conversions with dimensional analysis, visit www.gumballdegree.com.